Look at that. Annyeonghaseyo from Korea and welcome to Next Matcha. I've lived in Korea for nearly half my life and this dish that I'm about to show you is easily one of my favorites. I could eat this every day. It's 들기름막국수. 들기름막국수 is a cold noodle salad that has local green greens, dried seaweed, and perilla leaf oil. That's in here. I'll show you that in just a second. And I'm going to change the way I cook it by adding beef to it. Look at that. Perilla leaf or sesame leaf oil. Yes. Oh, beautiful. So beautiful. Yeah, you gotta keep it covered. Let's begin. How you want to do your steak is up to you, but I'm using salt and pepper, but there are many ways to do it. Make sure you pat it down with a paper towel first and press in the salt and pepper if you want it to stay on a little bit better. You'll get a much better coating at the end. Now when you're actually cooking the steak, put it on the pan at about a medium high for at least 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes without turning it. Then flip it, as I'm doing here, 1.5 minutes, and now turn it again and flip it one more time. That second time will give you that beautiful sort of darker color on it. And then you're basically ready after that. This is dried kim. There's a lot of different types of dried kim. The point is it's already seasoned with salt and it's been roasted a lot of the time. And that gives it a very savory flavor that goes perfectly with this perilla oil dish. You don't have to grind these up. These are sesame seeds, but I like the way it looks and I like the almost powder that it creates. So about that consistency if you want. This is Chamnamul. There's no translation of Chamnamul in English. Chamnamul is just Chamnam. The taste though is almost like celery leaves. Not so much the celery stalks, but the leaves. In another video I did with a similar recipe, I used chicory. You'll find that chicory wilts a little quicker, whereas this holds its sort of flavor and its shape for longer. It stays fresher even though it's been exposed to the vinegar. Gives it a much crunchier sort of taste. And it goes really well with the noodles. It has a lot more flavor than the chicory did. But you can honestly use things like chicory or even other greens. It'll still work. We've cooked a lot of noodles here. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, cook the noodles about 4 or 5 minutes, spray them down with water, and then rub them to remove the starch. Anytime you're doing cold noodles in Korea, that's pretty much what you're always doing. Getting rid of all the starch so the noodles hold their shape and hold their consistency when you're putting them when you're eating them, essentially. This is one I do here for this dish, is that I want to dry it as much as possible. I really want these noodles to be pretty dry because we're going to add a lot of liquids to them. Now when there is a little bit of liquid at the bottom of this here, but that's fine because when you take the noodles out, you can just take it, just leave the liquid in, just leave it there. You don't have to put it on. I like the way this plate looks. I think that's just one of the reasons I cook it so often now, is that I just love how it looks on the plate like this. You can do it in a bowl, but I like this sort of 3 distinct areas, and then putting the steak on top is amazing. It looks beautiful. Nice pink steak. Obviously cook your steak how you see fit, but the softer the steak the better. I think we can honestly say I might have put a little too much sesame seed on top, but that's my taste. I actually love sesame. Now before I show you me eating it, I will say one thing. My wife hates these noodles, right? But once she ate this dish, she loved this. So I think that's a pretty good endorsement of how well this recipe worked. She told me many times never cook these noodles. If I cook it, it's pretty much just cooking it for myself. But when she ate this, well, I think I've got a new favorite dish for her as well. So, enjoy. Hope you guys cook something delicious at home and you can watch me eat my yummy lunch. Have a great day and thanks for watching.